What's out there, bub? What's out there? Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 23 and it's like nearly 12 o'clock and we're just having brunch now. We're having pancakes and yeah, it was all Christmassy and everyone's in the Christmas spirit, which is awesome. So yeah, that's what we're up to right now.
Thanks kids for going down and getting the ingredients. Wow, it's the best thing. Wait till Christmas. Yeah, just wait though. So I don't know if I'm quite up to that.
She goes, can we turn now? And I'm like, no. She goes, okay. And she pulls my arm. She goes, we're turning. And I'm like, wrong way. She goes, we're turning.
Hey guys, there's a couple updates. It's now 2:35 and first one is Mum and Dad found a car for me to get, which we're going to go pick up in like half an hour, which is really exciting because my car got smashed into so I couldn't drive anymore, and then they surprised me today by them finding a new one, and so that's really exciting. And then my uncle's supposed to come around sometime to look at my back because he's an orthopedic surgeon. He hasn't been here yet though, so really hoping he shows up sometime soon. And so right now we're just gonna go have lunch, which should be good. Okay, and Carl was supposed to come over today, but he went to a party last night and he drank too much, so he's not coming over today. We're picking up my car right now and it's really exciting. We're picking up my car and it looks really pretty and I'm really excited and I'm gonna have a car again. So this is my new car. It's a Honda Fit. I'm just hiding them for obvious reasons. So it's like grey and oh, it looks really nice in the interior. It's automatic, so it's easy to drive. Here's a little look from the front. It's really pretty. I'm really excited. Oh my goodness. Early Christmas present. Yeah, so that's what this looks like. It's really nice and clean. I like the colour. I like how tiny it is, which is really good. It's a little longer than my old car, but like not like too much. It's like a hassle. It's got like tinted windows as well, which is awesome. So you can see me. And it's got like a hatch top roof. You can see the seats. It's a big boom. Oh, it's so exciting. There's my new baby. This is here. It's a Fit.
Okay, so we just need to keep all this together. Okay, so what you need to do is while we're on the way home, you can play around with.
Hey guys, so the time currently is 10 to 5 and we're going out to a Christmas family dinner with my dad's side of the family because we're spending Christmas with my mum's side of the family this year, so we don't want to see my dad's side until after New Year's, so we're kind of having an early Christmas. We're going to exchange gifts and things like that, so that's really exciting. So yeah, I'm just wearing my pantsuit, which is probably my favourite outfit I have at the moment. I'll show you guys it when I stand up. I'm in so much pain. My back is so sore, like I can't remember the last time I was in this much pain. I don't know if I've ever been in this much pain before. And I have a very high pain tolerance, so this is crazy. I don't even want to go tonight because I just can't walk. I'm just in so much pain. But my uncle, who's a surgeon, is going to be there, so he can look at my back then. But yeah, we got my car, which I love. My car is amazing. I can't wait till I get in better shape so I can drive it. But like right now, I'm just in too much pain to do anything. I'm so sore. It's ridiculous. Like I don't even know what's wrong with my back. I don't know how I got to this point. I don't know if it's gonna be okay. It's just getting a bit worse and worse every day, so I just really hope that my uncle finds something wrong with it that he can fix because it's so sore. So my pantsuit is from Forever New and my shoes. Hey mum. And just white strappy low heels. Hey Rascal.
Hey, Izzy.
Holly,
Mm-hmm.
I got a supper home for my birthday.
This?
Yeah.
I haven't really asked for anything. Hey Izzy. That's Fernie.
Look at my nails. See?
Harriet. Beautiful.
Oh, want me to get back to you? I'll get back to you.
Hey
Guys.
Archie! How are you?
I'm good.
That's good.
Someone's taken on that snail's farm.
yeah, that's right.
And they're thinking you might have to move over and land.
Yeah, like episode.
I was just thinking, yeah.
There's ones that we're going to do a week
Because they're open.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
It's good.
All over for a year, mate, eh?
Correct, yeah, it's like, I said to Kate,
Dizzy.
It's a cool place.
Oh, yeah, that's one of those ones that you say.
Yeah. Just take it.
Thank you, sir. It wouldn't have been so funny.
Oh, imagine that.
I'm gonna take some of my money. 3, 2, 1.
I got too far.
She was just like checking on this very much. Look at Uncle Shoo, look at Uncle Shoo.
Hold up. This is, that one's Harry's.
Shut up.
This one is
Do not open till the 25th.
Holly's.
Thank you. So my card says do not open till the 25th of December.
oh, there you go.
You get the biggest.
Your thing off, bro.
Hold on. Oh, whoa. There you go.
With security tags on them so that you can take them back.
Merry Christmas.
I'm giving it to the kids, Dad.
Smells a bit sweet. Smells a bit sweet.
Okay, Holly, can you get that parent?
Candle, the big candle on that, is it?
That's a fire.
What's new?
You got cassette for your little decoration with on the it's a glass one, but on the outside of it's a painting, a picture painted like a.
I find Harry very good at saving
Then this
things.
is saving things for what?
Like snow that's actually cold. It's kind of
What
scary.
do you mean saving? I got quite a lot of 20s.
I forget what his name is. He's from down the east coast anyway.
Yeah, so cute. Only you weren't evil.
I might save next week to wealth with the money, so I'll save because I got a lot of money.
Not really, but
Yeah, good.
She
but
told me
she
about that straight away, and I told her about that.
right, good.
hey guys, we just got back home from the Christmas party. So basically that's the only time I'm going to be seeing my dad's side of the family until like the New Year. So everyone's going away, so we did like all of our Christmas presents to each other from there, which is really cool. I got quite a I got quite a few really cool items, which I'm really excited about, which is exciting. And yeah, so it was really fun. So it was a really fun time, just seeing all the cousins and the aunties and uncles and everything like that. And yeah, so I'm going to do my big Christmas haul again like I've done for the last like 3 years. So I won't show you guys what I got just yet. I'll just wait for the haul video so you guys can just keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I'm just going to get dressed in my PJs, and then it's an early day tomorrow because we're packing up to move house. So yeah, I'm just going to go to sleep to get an early night. Well, it's actually like 10 o'clock, so like a nearly early night sleep. And then yeah, tomorrow we're packing up the house and leaving, so we have to be out of here by 12. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy morning. Anyway, so this far, be safe and stay beautiful, guys. I hope you are having an amazing day, or had an amazing day depending on the time you're watching this. Mwah. Goodbye.